Hey everybody, welcome back to Coco's Vegan Journey. Woo woo! Did you miss me? I missed you guys. I have been all over the world learning how to make great culinary dishes all the way from Asia to Dubai and to my home country, Africa. Shout out to my Niger peeps. But now that I'm back here in the A, I decided that I was going to start off 2019's cooking video with the Beyond Burger. Beyond Meat, Beyond Burger. Why am I starting off with this? Because I actually haven't had a burger since I left last year, and I was craving burgers so bad. Not craving meat so much, but just craving like the plant-based burger. So my favorite burger place in Atlanta, as everybody knows, is Slutty Vegan ATL. Shout out to Pinky. What's up, girl? So here I am. I'm not trying to make a replica of what she does because can't nobody do it like Pinky. I am just trying to make my own twist on the Beyond Meat burger. And another thing too is Pinky doesn't use the Beyond Meat burger. She uses the Impossible burger, which seems impossible to get. I think you have to be like a distributor or something. So I'm gonna figure that out and make one for you guys one day. But anyway, today we are making the Beyond Meat burger. So this is what the package looks like. So it comes, you get like 2 patties. But what I have found with veggie meat, a lot of veggie meats, is that they come really bland. They don't come seasoned very well. And so you gotta season it yourself, put your own stuff in it. So last year, I really sucked at giving you guys the exact measurements for recipes and stuff like that. So I am gonna give you a rundown of exactly what I used in order to marinate my meat. Okay, I use a tablespoon of liquid smoke, a tablespoon of Worcester sauce, a tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning. I used 1 Scotch bonnet. It wasn't this big, but just wanted to let you guys know in case, for those who don't know what a Scotch bonnet looks like. I use 1 of these. I use half a tablespoon of curry. And this is like a grinder, so let's just say I did about maybe 7 grinds of this. This is crushed peppercorn and it's just peppercorn medley, basically. So I use some of this. Of course, you know, I only cook with pink Himalayan salt, so I probably use about half a tablespoon of pink Himalayan salt, half a tablespoon of garlic salt, and a pinch of ginger, and half a tablespoon of curry powder. So I mixed it all up, and I actually left it overnight to marinate because I wanted to see if it was going to make a difference in the flavors and how it tasted and everything. So now this has been sitting, marinating, looks so good, smells good too. So I'm going to wash my hands, and we are going to fry this bad boy up. All right, so like I said before, this has been sitting in the fridge overnight, nicely marinated. Can you smell it? It smells so good. You know what I like about this too is for people who like really love meat and are finding it hard to stay away from the meat. This actually does have like sort of like a ground beef, you know, meaty texture. You know, I've grilled this before. When you grill it, like red stuff comes out, you know, like how it is when you grill a burger, like a real meat, the blood and everything comes out, you know. So if you need all that stuff in your mind to make you think like, okay, I'm not eating a burger, then this will definitely do it for you. Alrighty. Okay, so like I said, this has been marinating overnight, and I am going to just mold it. I've washed my hands already. Get my hands all in it and mold it like a patty. You guys like my grill over here? So like I'm not using, you know, a frying pan. I'm gonna use my little grill thingy because it gives it that grilled look. So you want to make sure that your oil is hot, but not too hot. But definitely, once you put the patty down, you do want it to sizzle. Sizzle but not burn. So I've actually tried these in my George Foreman grill. So I don't know if I need to get like some updated one where you can regulate the temperature and all that, but every time I put it in the George Foreman grill, you know, it just gets really dry and burned, and there's nothing on my particular George Foreman grill that allows me to control the temperature, so control the heat. So I did a practice run and I was like, it's way better for me to just do it this way for you guys so you can see, and it's just easier. A lot of people don't have a George Foreman grill, so we're gonna let those sizzle on both sides. And as you can see, you guys know I don't fool with all those oils. I use either grapeseed oil or avocado oil when I'm cooking. So wash up my hands. Woo! Like I'm hungry, okay? I know every single time I do a video, I always tell you guys how I'm hungry. But honestly, like I'm hungry. I have not had anything to eat today. And I'm starting my annual fasting with Atkins. Shout out to Coach Atkins. And the fast starts tomorrow. So I'm gonna get this burger in before he punishes us, because it's gonna be grueling this fast. I know it's gonna be grueling, but worth it, definitely. All right, so you want to get your spatula. Do you guys see how like it's, I mean, this is just fascinating to me to know that, you know, these burgers are actually made mainly from pea protein, veggies, but they still somehow manage to make it cooked like a burger. You know what I mean? It's got the red, the juicy, all that stuff coming out, but it's all plant-based. So you're not doing your body any harm, and you're not killing all those wonderful cows out there. So my husband tells me, or he's been telling me, how like I overcook my burgers. Honestly, I think he just likes his burgers to be all like, you know, that medium well sort of taste. So whereas whenever I used to eat meat, I would always go to a steakhouse and say, make mine well done, no blood. And I get it. Like, I've tasted medium well before, and the meat is juicier, you know, tastier when it's got like just a little pinch of blood in it, but it's just not healthy. Like, just the thought of it, like, that's super gross. So I like to make my burgers slightly well done, but not burnt. Well done, but not burnt. All right, so I'm gonna let these guys fry up, and I'm gonna regulate my heat so that, you know, they're cooking slowly, not rushing it, making sure they get cooked on the inside. And you can even take your spatula and just kind of sort of punch some holes in it like this, so that you know for sure that it's really getting cooked, you know, in on the inside. And I'm gonna let those bad boys fry up, and then we are going to put on all my fixings. And let me tell you about my fixings. The favorite ingredient that I love to put on my burgers, the favorite fixing, you won't believe this: onions. Red onions, purple onions. It gives it so much flavor. I love it. You're gonna try it, you're gonna love it too, I promise. All right, so now that my burgers are pretty much almost done, I'm gonna put my cheese on it. And I wanna show you guys, because what I found is that not all the vegan cheeses out there melt, which is really annoying. But I have done process of elimination for you. You know me, your girl Coco's gonna come through. I'm gonna do the research. I'm gonna let you know which cheeses to get. So this cheese right here, it melts like real cheese, all right? Just like cheese, dairy-free, gluten-free, no nuts, no preservatives, no lactose, 100% vegan. So I've got my cheeses on here, melting on my patties. While that's melting, I am going to And this is the mayonnaise that I use. It's called Fabonnaise, Sir Kensington's Fabonnaise, and it is so good. It tastes just like the real thing, I promise you. So there's so many different ways that you can, you know, dress up your bun. But for me, I like good old lettuce, tomatoes, onions. I actually tried to look for some like really nice vegan bacon, but I couldn't find any that after cooking it gave me that texture that I wanted for bacon. So maybe next time. But yeah, so I just dress up my cheese has melted nicely. Not totally melted, but you guys get the idea. It's all sunken in there. I am gonna put my fixes on. So I got some jalapenos, my tomatoes, lettuce, got some nice square lettuce going on here. I love to put freshly sliced purple onions on my burger. It's like, I don't know, there's something about the onions that just brings out that meaty taste in your burger. It tastes so good. Do you want ketchup on your burger? No ketchup on the burger. All right, well, I love ketchup on my burger, so I'm gonna put some on mine. This is where we have, I like to do my taste testing with you guys live so that you can get my real reaction. You can really gauge, like, does she really like the food or is that food nasty? So here we go, we're gonna go in. It's my Beyond Meat burger, all done, all dressed up. I'm going in. Good. It's so good. You know what? You know what I love about this burger? Is that the flavors from when I seasoned it last night have really sunk in. So you bite into it and you get that nice sort of smoky flavor from the liquid smoke. Definitely, I taste that. And then you kind of get, it's not really a tangy flavor, but there's something about this Worcester sauce that just kind of gives it like an oomph. And then one thing I tasted, especially because this is like fresh, hot out of the skillet, that Scotch bonnet that I put inside the mix, now fermented with the jalapenos, and it just gives it that spicy kick. So if you love a spicy burger, this is definitely the way to go. Like, I've got to have another one. Oh, they smell my burger outside. People are coming, knocking on my door. They want my burger. I got to eat it before they get here. All right, guys. This is it. You heard it first from me. Coco's vegan journey. I'm telling you guys that this Beyond Meat, the Beyond Burger, is the truth. Now, make sure you tune in for my next video, which is gonna come up. I don't know what I'm gonna make you, but I'm gonna make you something nice. So, like if you love my video, dislike if you don't, leave me a comment. But whatever you do, make sure you subscribe to the COCO'S vegan journey. Woo! 2019 is gonna be amazing. All right, shoot. I want to finish my burger. I'm hungry. People are already knocking on my door, and I'm not